Miss Visners is a long-standing patient of mine who came to me for an implant several years ago.
Got the 2 wisdom teeth pulled, and then afterwards I was experiencing pain on, on my lower left, and it turns out that I needed an implant because there was an infection. And he specializes in that also. So again, another great experience. It was great. I mean, he knows exactly what he's doing. He doesn't take you the long way. It's like, here's the option. What would you like to do? And it's great.
Since that time, she has had many procedures done by different practitioners, but depends on me for my opinion regarding whether those procedures are warranted or not. I have also treated all of her family members as she trusts me explicitly.
You gain that trust. Your life is in someone's hands, and he treats you as you are the part of his family. Because this implant is in my mouth the rest of my life. So with every time that I came in, he does educate you. He does tell you exactly step by step. He has these little models that he'll show you, and gives you the options, on like how long it would take, what the process is, just every step of the way. And it doesn't end when you're in his chair. To me, Dr. Moore he's the superhero of teeth.